Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance. Where is my lunchtime crew shenanigans? I got a easy peasy for you. It's called She Used to Be My Girl. It is a one wall dance. I'm gonna give you the step-by-step instruction. If you're watching for the first time, you like this content, make sure you subscribe. I want to give a shout out to everyone that always leave me a comment. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you. If you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. This is a step-by-step instruction, and if you want to dance along with the music, watch till the end, click on the video. Would you share this video, please? Let's go. So, let's stand on this side of the room, okay? So stand on this side and look in this direction. We're gonna do something called this song is Used to Be My Girl, so it's old school, okay? So we're gonna start with a camel walk. You don't know what a camel walk is? What you do is you're gonna put the weight on the right first, and all I'm gonna do is bend my knees and bring my heels up. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so that's a camel walk, and it moves forward, and the weight is going to go on the right. So forget about what knee is bending, it's where your weight is, and it goes to the right first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Camel walk, and I'm going to end with the weight on the left. From here I'm going to do a sailor step, for a sailor step. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay? So let's put that together. And the sailor step, I'm going to move it back a little bit, okay? Because the camel walk move you forward, and we're going to use the sailor step to move us back a little bit. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Weight on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Sailor right, sailor left, sailor right, and sailor left. Now, so moving forward, now we're going to go side to side. We're going to do a Lindy, which is a shuffle to the right, right, left, rock, back, recover, left, half, turn. Then we're going to do it again, going to the right, left, rock, back, recover, left, turn, right, left. Okay, Lindy. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, shuffle right. 1 and 2, rock back, recover, left, turn, half, right, left. With the right shoulder coming back, making a half turn. We're going to do it again, going to the right. It's the same footwork. 1 and 2, back, 3, 4, left, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So let's put that together. Starting with the camel walk, 4 sailor steps, moving back, and the Lindy. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sailor. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 2 more. 5 and 6, 7, and 8. To the right. 1 and 2, rock. 3, recover. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Shuffle right. 1 and 2, rock. 3, 4, left. 5 and 6, turn. 7, 8. All right. Now we're going to shuffle up. Shuffle up on the right. Shuffle up on the left. We're going to rock up, recover, and turn back with a triple step. So here, look. This is how it looks. Shuffle right, left, rock up, recover, right, left. So that's a half turn. Okay? 5, 6, 7. Shuffle up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then we're going to do the same thing on the left. 1 and 2, shuffle 3 and 4, rock up, turn back, 7 and 8. When you make that triple step, your last step is going to be on the left. So for that shuffle, the front wall you do the right foot, the back wall you do the left foot, okay? So let's do that again. Shuffle up right, left, rock up, recover, turn back, right. Make sure you give me that triple step, okay? Because I want you to wind up with the last step on your right, and we shuffle up on the left. So that right shoulder came back, half turn, shuffle left, right, rock up, recover, left, left. So when you do the front wall, the right shoulder comes back, making a triple step. When you do the back wall, the left shoulder comes back, making a triple step. And the last step will be on your left. So let's say you do that again. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Left 1 and 2. Right 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 is going to be on your left. Guess what? End of dance. One wall dance. We start over with the camel walk. Let's do it. So let's put it together. For a review, we do our camel walk, moving up. We do our sailor step, moving back. We do the Lindy to the front and back wall, and we shuffle up on the right, making a half turn, and we shuffle up on the left, making a half turn, coming back to the front wall, one wall dance, okay? I'm going to give you the count. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Can walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Lindy, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Shuffle right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, up 5, 6, turn 7 and 8. Left 1 and 2, right 3 and 4, up 5, 6, 7 and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. It's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Turn 7, 8. It's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, 3 and 4, up 5, 6. Turn 7 and 8. Left 1 and 2, 3 and 4, up 5, 6, 7 and 8. That is used to be my girl. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I wanted to get right into it because I know it's your lunchtime. You're saving money by not going out to lunch. You're dancing. You're bringing your tennis shoes. You're dancing for 40 minutes. And then you're going to eat your lunch and heading back to your desk to continue working. And at the end of the month, honey, you're going to have some money, baby. You'll be able to pay off those high credit cards. Yes, yes, yes. So that's used to be my girl. My name is Lindy Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.